The cases of a former judge and former fire chief, both accused of sharing child sex abuse materials online, are now moving forward today.
They were both in court, making their initial appearances just hours ago. News specialist Mike Anderson was there.
Yeah, Deanie and Mike, while still early, this is a very important step when you consider that multiple judges had recused themselves from this, likely because of Judge Kevin Christensen's tenure here in Utah, former tenure since 2009 as a Justice Court judge. And 2nd District Judge Joseph Bean here in Ogden will preside over both cases, which could eventually become combined. Former Tremonton Fire Chief Ned Brady Hansen is facing counts of sexual exploitation of a minor. He was the first arrested last month, and then Christensen allowed him to be released on bail. He was then re-arrested after investigators say they found evidence on Hansen's phone that the two had been chatting online about wanting to share child victims. A longtime friend of Christensen told us his family is devastated. They, just like she, have a hard time coming to grips with the allegations.
It just seems unreal to me. He looks terrible. It's devastating for everybody who knew him. Everybody's struggling. I'm from Brigham. We grew up in the same ward, and it's just devastating.
Christensen faces several counts of sexual exploitation of a minor and a couple more charges of enticing a minor over the internet. Finally, another charge of obstruction of justice for presiding over Hansen's case. Christensen is set for a preliminary hearing later next month, and Hansen's attorney today, by the way, asked that he be released again on bail, but that was denied. He's asking for a further look at the evidence before they decide on a preliminary hearing for him. Mike Anderson, live at 5.